Sup?
Batman, what do you do when no one wants to listen to you?
Well, I usually beat him up, if I'm being honest.
Well, what do you do when it's quiet hours and they don't want to shut up?
Well, I would check the time and see that it's not quiet hours yet.
But it's 10 o'clock.
Sorry guys, was I a little too loud that I silenced all your fun? Well, I guess I was a little loud. So, Alfred,
Yes, sir.
turn on silent mode.
Very good, sir.
That whole Boyce Q situation was really quite a hassle. Really glad to be back with the whole kicking butt and taking names kind of thing. That's a bit more my pace. I was really distracted. I really hope crime wasn't festering while I was gone. It'd really stink if a potential arch nemesis was plotting, scheming in the shadows, waiting for his opportune moment to strike and destroy everything I have built.